So, morning folks.
Morning.
We are out here on this Thursday. I want to show y'all another lawn that we have been lacking on getting video on for you guys. This is a Bermuda / tall Bermuda mix. It's kind of a variant. Originally was sod. They use a green solution company that comes and sprays to do lime and to get kind of pH levels and stuff high and whatnot. But we want to show y'all a little walkthrough of before and after, so that way that y'all can see also another little nice yard that we take care of. We're going to do some edging and stuff on this one today, getting it cleaned up and stuff. This is a really nice thick lush yard, so hope y'all enjoy this, and we'll do a little walk around here. Alright guys, so we're going to start off in the front yard here. We'll do a little walkthrough. You can see the difference here. We don't maintain this one with any kind of fertilizer or anything. Like I said, they have a company that does this. You can obviously, we keep everything well maintained. Everything nice and edged. Of course, we don't make the scalp marks. That's obviously from other people cutting the neighbors' yards. You can tell the difference from how we keep this nice and thick versus scalped. So here's a nice little preview of the backyard. Nice little area. And like I said guys, this stuff is some nice thick Bermuda. Really, really nice grass here. You can see a few stragglers that need to be taken care of. Some little bit of dog urine patches here and there. Continue around this side right here and take a look. Of course, the brown patch and stuff up front, I'm sure they've got a pet, so you can see Mary's already going over there. Got the oldest daughter starting out on the trimming. We're going to do some edging. You can see the difference here, us, them. Alright guys, so just stay tuned to the video. We're going to do some little edging stuff here with the edging machine, so y'all can kind of see some detail of that. guys, so we got this and take care of. You can see behind me. Nice cut up. Got all the edges edged. As you can see, let's take a little view down the sidewalk right here. Nice, crisp. All the edging. Everything's taken care of. I'll take another little quick walk around so you guys can see the back. Trying to avoid some rain here. You can see planter beds all nice and edged in. Backyard looking nice and thick, green. Angle cut on it this week. Every week we try to split up directions and stuff so that way grass can grow formally. You don't want to do too much of the same angle. Eventually you'll have ruts, as you can see other people's yards. Just gonna have a lot of dead areas. So back around this side, it's a little bit wetter on this side, usually because so much slope right here. All right guys, that's all for this one. Just wanted to show y'all a preview here so you guys can see how green we keep them. All right guys, so just stay tuned for more videos. Like I said, like, subscribe, share, reach out to us. If you're local, let people know that we do a good job for you guys. We take care of everybody as much as we can, so then that way everybody's on the same page. So check out all of our other videos, hit the notification bell. Like I said, sorry about the other mowers and stuff. Other guys are here taking care of the middle of the neighborhood, but like I said, just keep on with us and stuff. We're going to keep trucking, and on to the next one, guys. See you there.